कसिनो खण धोरण आणि हेर मुद्द्याचेर काँग्रेसवाले बेठच बोवाळ मारतात। चडशे कसिनोची लायसन्सां 5 वर्सां खातीर आशिल्ल्यान तांचेर कारवाय शक्य ना अशें भाजपाचो उपाध्यक्ष विल्फ्रेड मिस्कितान म्हळां। मायनिंग लीज 20 वर्सां खातीर आसात ते काँग्रेसीन वर्साचे करून दाखोवचे अशें आव्हानय मिस्कितान दिलां। कायदो आयोगाच्या आदल्या अध्यक्षान केल्ल्या विधेयकांची आमदार विजयान कॉपी केल्या असो आरोप कायदो आयोगाचो अध्यक्ष नरेंद्र सावयकारान केला।
Let me tell you that with exception of 1 or 2 casinos, everything is in place. Most of these people have got license till 2015 and 2014. Now you can't go and stop them now and say no, Mr. Parrikar or BJP government doesn't want to stop it. They'll go to court because it's already been given to them, because this license are given for 5 years. Although you have to every year you have to renew it, but it is given for 5 years. I challenge the Congress party to do it, because mining is a central act. The lease is the mining is a central act. It is for the sake of security of tenure that they have been given for 20 years. Actually, it was originally 10 years. It was amended by central government for 20 years. Goa government has not done it. Congress government has done it.
Commission already केल्लो आसा आणि तो गव्हर्नमेंटान कन्सिडर करचो। तेजे उपरांत हांगासरल्या इंडिपेंडंट एमएलएन फातोर्डेच्या ताणें म्हटलें की ह्या संबंधातले बिल आपण ऑलरेडी पयलींच्या असेंब्लीन ह्या फावटी मूव केल्लें आसा आणि तेजीच कदाचित कॉपी मारून हे हांगासरले लॉ कमिशन जे आसा ते करपाक सोदता म्हणून। आनी इनफॅक्ट आय हॅव अ स्ट्रॉंग ऑब्जेक्शन टू इट फॉर द सिंपल रिजन, एक तर म्हजो स्टेटमेंट जो आसा तो स्टेटमेंट ताणें समजून घेवना, आणि नंबर 2 जे बिल तेणे आता असेंब्लीन मूव केल्लें आसा इट इज इन वर्बेटिम कॉपी ऑफ द रिपोर्ट विच वॉज सबमिटेड बाय द अर्लियर लॉ कमिशन टू द गव्हर्नमेंट ऑफ गोवा।
4 दीस चलपी अखिल भारतीय पावंड्यावेली बुद्धीबळ सर्त मंगळारा मिरामारच्या गॅस्परडायस सभाघरात सुरू जाली। ही सर्त फोमेंतोन पुरस्कृत केल्या आणि पणजेच्या रुद्रेश्वर संस्थेन ती घडोवन हाडल्या। सर्त शुक्रार मेरेन चलतली। 196 खेळगडे तातूंत वांटेकार जाल्यात। महापौर वैदेही नाईक, खेळा प्राधिकरणाचे कार्यकारी संचालक एल्विस गोम्स आणि हेर मानेस्तांनी हे ऑल इंडिया सर्तीचे उक्तावण केले। रेटिंग सर्तींतल्यान कमी रेटिंग आशिल्ल्या खेळगड्यांनी आपले इलो रेटिंग वाडोवचें आणि ज्या खेळगड्यांक रेटिंग ना तांकां हांगा रेटिंग मेळटलें। तशेंच फुडल्या कांय दिसांनी राज्यांत आनीक रेटिंग सर्ती जातल्यो अशें बुद्धीबळ संघटनेचो अध्यक्ष आशिष केणीन सांगलें।
That more and more rating tournaments should come up all over Goa, and we have to train teams. We have to have more organizers with us. And towards this end, this year 3 rating tournaments are planned in Goa. This is the first rating tournament this year, and we'll be shortly having in November, from November 15th, the GVM rating tournament at Ponda, and then the Kuchara rating tournament in January.
एसएजी बुद्धीबळा खातीर एअर कंडिशन हॉल दितली अशें कार्यकारी संचालक एल्विस गोम्सान सांगलें।
When it comes to infrastructure for chess, I know it is not very encouraging. These poor guys are practicing in a very small makeshift arrangement in the present Kampal indoor stadium. We have vacated it for better days ahead, because the plan is now to redo it, not fully maybe, but recondition the whole facility. And definitely I hope that we'll be able to take care of your needs, wherein we'll provide some space. And I think chess needs air conditioned space, so hopefully we will be doing it in the next 2 years.
फोमेंतो बुद्धीबळ खेळ गोंयच्या प्रत्येक पंचायतीत पावयतले।
The 185 panchayats that we have in Goa, we work in the villages. So I suggest that if everybody agrees, that we will ensure that every panchayat, maybe in the next 30 days or maybe 2 months max, every panchayat has at least 4 boards, chess boards, placed in those panchayats in the event there.
I want to get good points in the prize. I want to increase my rating.
I'm unrated. Okay. I'm unrated, but I'll play every day. Okay. What's your good name? My name is Pratik. I'm from Maharashtra. Thank you.
I am coming from Punjab. It's a tournament which can in which you can increase your rating. because generally if you go in a high rated tournaments, there you can't excel there because generally those senior players they have got experience, and here the little kids they can come up.
मिरामारच्यान आमचो खेळा खबराकार निखिल परेरा आणि ज्येष्ठ चलचित्र खबराकार तुळशीदास च्यारी. तुमकां ह्यो खबरो चुकल्या आसत जाल्यार आमच्या www.prudentmedia.in वेबसायट वा ट्विटर अकाउंट प्रुडंट गोवा वा www.facebook.com/prudentmedia ह्या फेसबूक अकाउंटाचेर मेळटल्यो. इतल्यान हे खबराची रांगात सोंपता. पळयत रावात प्रुडंट मिडिया. नमस्कार.